guys, welcome back. I just got everyone fed, birds, kids, me. Willie's asleep. He had to work over last night. Dang it, I forgot to change my battery. Alright, battery changed. Everything is good. Everyone's fed, everything. I think I just said all that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start bird cages. I guess I was supposed to go pick up Caden. Willie never tells me anytime that I'm supposed to pick him up. It's usually someone calling me, telling me, hey, you're supposed to pick him up at this time. But his mom texted, said that I had to meet his sister or her sister or somebody, something, I don't know, in Ontario. Well, I didn't get it till, or I didn't see it until like an hour later. So I guess she'd already left. Well, they need me to go all the way to Shelby, which is about 20-25 minutes away. And I have a package that's supposed to be delivered at 2, and they won't just drop it off. I don't know if it's because of what's in the package or the amount of the price of it. Because I know like with my laptop, they wouldn't drop that off. With Willie's tools, they wouldn't just drop that off. Amazon does it sometimes. So I have to wait here. Willie worked over, so he can't get up and go because he's only had a couple hours of sleep, if even that. And he's been up all night because he worked all night last night. What is going on with my eyeball? So I'm gonna go ahead and do bird cages. I just spot cleaned the couch, got all the floors swept, cleaned Sissy's rug and her plate. Well, it's mostly Sissy's playroom. Lincoln don't play in there. He brings the toys out here, but she plays in there and out here. And I got laundry going. I got diaper laundry that I gotta throw in, so she's got diapers. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff to do today, and I figured I'd bring you guys along with me. And then later on this evening, I've got some baby plaques that I need to make. What else did I have to make? I got some other things that I gotta make for orders and things like that. So yeah, we are gonna go do that, and like I said, I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Let's go. Mr. Mackins, you pooped in your water yet again, sir. Open the door. Can you open it? Open it. Go ahead. You know how to do it. Lincoln. Language, sir. Get back. Mac, quit. You're about to get out, buddy. You're about to get out. You went out? Huh? You went out. Oh, you went out. You gotta get a shower. You ready to get a shower? You wanna get a shower? Yeah? Does it want a shower? Yeah. Come on. Hi, sweet baby. You're such a good boy. Are you being a good boy? Yeah, we're gonna go take care of your itchy skin, okay? We'll take care of your itchy skin, get you a shower. What do you think? Oh, you be shower. You're a good boy. Huh, you a good boy? You are a good boy. You are. Yes, you are. You're such a good boy. What are you doing, boys? You look like a drowned rat. Are you a drowned rat? Huh? Are you? What are you doing? Are you enjoying yourself? Down there? Mackie! Oh, look at you getting new feathers in. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that one right there. See how it's got that like encasement over it? That's a new feather. Are you mad at Mom for making you take a shower? No, you're sleepy bird, huh? Alright, you ready to get dried off? He gets blow dried, like, we'll hold it like a little bit of ways from him because he gets cold very easily. He bathes himself like every day, so I don't really worry about him too much because Annie doesn't really get cold like that. Say hi, pretty. I think you're good and dried, Mackie. Let's work on Mr. Petey Man. Alright, I got pretty much all the bird cages done. It's been hours. I started this project for my site, or I don't know if I'll probably just put it on Facebook Marketplace and then advertise it also on Instagram and TikTok, because I still haven't really made a site. I haven't decided where I want to go. I don't like Etsy's prices. I don't like how they do their shipping. The Shopify thing, I have not really looked into that either. So I just been working out off of Facebook Marketplace and IG and TikTok. So anyways, I'm going to I gotta run over to my grandma's, bring you guys with me. I just got back from getting Caden. And everybody always thinks that we live in an apartment because I always say that my grandma lives next door. And people automatically think that it's an apartment.
Yeah, you want me to hold it for you while you do it?
Yeah.
Be a lot easier, huh?
Yeah. I like it.
Gonna fit, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's everything. Love you.
Love you. You guys got Caden today?
Yeah. And I gotta take him back in the morning because he's going. He says he's going camping.
Oh my God. And this kind of shit?
Yeah.
Oh, I just got done. Well, I didn't just get done. I had to come out here this morning and clean up a freaking robin off the back porch.
Aww.
I mean, they just riddled it. And then you could tell, evidently from eating some of it, they got sick and threw up.
How you doing, Coco?
Oh, she was so happy today. Byron and Lori was here. They made homemade chili for Robert, homemade vegetable soup. And they gave me 2 big tubs of it, put it in the freezer.
Oh, that was nice of them.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going home. I'm
Yes, it is
freezing.
cold.
It's only 19 degrees.
Tomorrow.
Alright, love you. Alright, there's one coat. I still gotta hit that again back there. But there's one, and then this is the paint that I'm using for this one. I gotta go order pizza real quick, and then I'm gonna finish hitting this again once it's completely dry.
So, put the stapler back. Now, take this mark.
I like you. Alright, we gotta go though, for real.
Let's go to get my house.
We just got done shopping. And I forgot to use my camera while I was in there, of course, so. Miss Little Mama, you want that? Yeah. Oh, let's pull this down just a smidge bit. I love you. I'll see you guys. Actually, you know what? I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video because there's really not anything else that we're gonna be doing. I'm just gonna go home, put groceries away, get dinner started, and start our nighttime routine. So that's pretty much all it is. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that if you liked this video and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button. That really helps push this video and my channel out to the algorithm. But yeah, I love you guys and thank you so much. I will see you in my next one. Bye.